One of the most beautiful things about the Carbon XL system is that it's lightweight, can pack anywhere. You take this through the airports, pack it into the smallest of spaces and vehicles and things like that, and it's just 3 cases, and all of it's on wheels. So you get off the plane in a developing country, ready to go do your shoot, and what do you find? Uh-oh, the only thing they have is a VW Bug taxi, or something smaller. As you can see, just 3 cases, and the pole and the tubes go right in. 1, 2, 3, nice and easy, and you've still got room for 3 people. Carbon XL, outstanding portability.